The last trade in Dabur sees a little over 1% equity change hands for around 1,000 crore rupees. Promoters likely to have sold stake. The promoter group looks to sell over 5% stake in Sterling & Wilson's Solar via an offer for sale. The floor price for that has been set to 270 rupees a share. That's stock lower by almost 3%. IRB Infra, on the other hand, surges after the company announces that it will consider a stock split at its board meet on the 4th of January. Reliance Retail, promoter of Just Dial, will sell a 2% stake in the open market. This sale will be taking place to meet the minimum public shareholding norms.
Hello and welcome to Chartbusters. I'm Nigel D'Souza joining in from Mumbai, and Mangalam is joining in from Delhi. He's braved the fog, I believe, and managed to reach out there. Mangalam, stay safe, mate. I believe the weather is much better, but you can't see much. This is what I understand out there. So, looking forward for you to come back.
I have been told that... I've been told that you can't see much, but then when you're in Delhi, you just eat whatever is in front of you without seeing it. That's something that I plan to do for whatever little time I'm here, man.
And you're not the kind of guy who'll be on a liquid diet, so you enjoy eating then. Well, let's get back to the markets. We are at a very, very crucial juncture, I would say, because we are at around that 18,220 to around 18,250. Now, yesterday we bounced off that 18,250 odd mark. So the bulls will actually like to creep back to that level and then see a bit of a bounce. For the time being, it's not looking very, very good because any kind of bounce is getting sold into. Maybe some clarity that comes in from Japan could stabilize. I think we have the governor that will be speaking out there in the next couple of hours. If there is some kind of clarity or some kind of calmness that comes to the global equities itself, then maybe we see a bit of a bounce. But till then, we'll have to wait by. But we have Shilpa Rout who's standing by to run us through a quick technical check. Hi Shilpa, what's going to happen on the Nifty? What's your sense? Just looking at the screen, the bounces are getting sold into, but yesterday the dips were getting bought into. So at around 18,230, what's the call you're making?
Good morning, Nigel and Mangalam. Like rightly said, yesterday the dips were being bought into and today it is getting sold off. But Nifty will find support around 18,200 to 18,150 zones. I believe that, one can buy this dip again and put a tight stop loss of 18,150 on futures and go long from here. Likewise, Bank Nifty is holding 43,000 zones, so it is very, very concrete. There, a support is lying there. So with a stop loss of 42,900, one should also attempt to buy this dip in Bank Nifty.
All right, take that point. Buy the dip is what your call is. Of course, there is the 50-day moving average support, which comes in at around that 18,100 mark as well, were the Nifty to fall further. But this could be an important point to watch out for our markets. And as we speak, the put-call ratio too, early in the morning itself, has moved towards that 0.76 mark. Remember, around that 0.7 is where we usually see a bit of a bounce in the put-call ratio itself from. Shilpa, individual stocks, what's on your radar? Because now we have almost 1,800 stocks declining for just 1,000, which are advancing.
I would like to go a little contrary from here. I have a buy here in Jumble Fertilizers. It has come up from the day lows and it is trading above 300 marks. So it is actually now attempting to hold the support of 300 zones. So one should buy here with the stop loss of 295 and look for targets of 330. The other one is a sell call from Motherson. Motherson has been on the declining pattern from quite some time, and now trading below 70 is a clear indication that we will see some more dips towards 65 zones. So stop loss of 71.5. One should sell Motherson for targets of 65.
Okay, all right, Shilpa, thanks a lot for that. Well, let's shift focus then to our special segment where we get you a few ideas for profit from Money Control Pro. Lekha is standing by to run us through a stock that she's tracking rather closely.